Well, good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Walker Bee Ranch. So, I had a bunch of stuff to do today, but instead, I'm taking a field trip. I'm on my way to Kutik to pick up some queens, and I'm going to take you guys along for the ride and show you around their facility. It's pretty, for me, it was impressive when I was there, but I'm trying to get some queens before they head back up to New York for the summer. And so stay tuned and we'll go along for the ride. All right, everybody, we're out here. We're out in the farmlands. Thought you guys might want to see how it's going, but we're out here in the country. Still got about 15 miles to go till we get there, and then we'll check back in. So yeah, way out here. So, it's good though. Nice little trip, nice day.
Hey, do me a favor.
Yeah.
Let's get me. I think I should get the 2 Pro Nudes. Let me make sure you're about there. Let me call you right back.
I'm right here on the property. I'm just rolling slow and videoing some footage, but I'm not to them yet.
Okay, hold on. Do video some footage, and I'll be right back. I'm just gonna call this guy right now. All right, just a second.
All right. Thanks.
Bye.
So look at all these nuke boxes. Nuke boxes upon nuke boxes upon nuke boxes. Bunches of nukes here at Kutik's. That's one end. I'm not even to them yet, really. They got more boxes over here. Looks like queen mating nukes. This goes on for a good bit. I know he's got some more on this other side over here. Get up here. It's out here in the woods on a dirt road. I know somebody said it sounded like some wheelbarrow was going out the other day, but I just got really knobby tires, and when I ride on the highway it makes a loud noise when I'm driving, so thought you'd find this pretty cool. I did when I came out. It was pretty impressive when you're riding down this road and you just see boxes and boxes of bees. I just brought the Hero 5 today, so I didn't. There's some houses. There's people living right in here with them too. I mean, that's the funny thing, is there's houses in between their properties that they've got bees on it. There's like millions of bees over here. Millions of bees. So they got more bee boxes over here. Says I got about 1,000 feet, but I know where it's at from here because I've been here before. And they got a little mobile home right here. And I believe it's this one. I believe it's this one. Maybe it's the next one. No, it's the next one.
You've arrived.
Or did I arrive? Nope, it's the next one. It says I arrived, but I didn't arrive. So I gotta go up one. But it's closed down too. And then they got a building in the back. See Octavio out here yet. Maybe I'm at the wrong building. Oh, I need to go back further, don't I? Yep, maybe. Yeah, go back one more building. I bet you those farms are those plants are well pollinated. Last time I was here, they had oaks everywhere. And there's Octavio. They're singing to us. I have my bee suit on, but the sheer number of bees flying is crazy. They're going crazy, making the honey. They're making the honey.
No English.
Oh, no English?
Alimento.
Oh, that's sugar. They're making meal? Meal. Look at the bees. He's good. He's got a frame of queen cells he's brushing off over there. You can see him. I got my suit in the car, but wasn't trying to suit up. But I'm not too worried about getting stung, so it wouldn't be the first time. Look at that. Working it. Spilled a little bit of syrup. Spilled a little bit of syrup on the truck. It's for YouTube. All right, look at that. We got queens. So if you need any, holler at me.